What's up guys, I'm Brian, this is belovereviews.com. Today we picked up the new Ego Electric lawnmower. It's a 56 volt lithium ion with a 21-inch deck. And so we're going to do a quick unboxing video. Especially quick because it's about 100 degrees outside right now, which means in my garage it's about 150. So let's check this thing out. First thing it says is power beyond belief. I can't wait to have my mind blown. Alright. I see lots of parts. This looks like the side chute. The quick charger. Battery pack itself, I went with the 7.5 amp just in case. The frame for the actual bag and the bag itself. Set that off to the side. And then the mower. This all looks pretty simple. It's not a bad weight. It's pretty heavy, but not too bad. And it looks like an instruction manual, and whatever this is, this probably goes to the bag, I'm guessing. Oh no, that's the handle out of the box. Cool. Don't have to worry about where that's going to go. So that's it. It looks like you just unfold this and it looks like it's pretty close to ready. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and charge up the battery and then we'll do our first cut with it. Alright guys, we've got the Ego battery charger here. I'm going to go ahead and looks like we've got plenty of plugs. If you've followed me in previous years, you know that I was a big cryptocurrency miner, so I happen to have 6 20 amp circuits run right here in the garage. So plug into one of those. And then the battery pack looks pretty simple. Looks like it just slides in here. And we'll go ahead and get our first charge going. Looks like there's some rails. We got lights. Oh, the fan's louder than I expected. It charges pretty quickly, so that makes sense. It looks like it's flashing on 25%, so the battery does not come from the factory charged, which I kind of expected. We'll go ahead and let this get a good charge going. Alright, we're done charging the battery. One thing I noticed, I put the battery on the charger. I expected it to take a while. I know I heard it was a fast charger, a quick charger, but I came back after about 30 minutes, and as you saw from the original video, it was completely dead, and in 30 minutes it was 100% charged, so that's pretty impressive already. I've gone ahead and extended out the retractable arms here, so when you fold it, it's actually really, really simple. You know, there it goes folded, you pop this back where you want it, you slide this out, and then you just lock these. It's a really nice setup, really easy to use. So let's go ahead and put the battery in. And I haven't done this before, but let's give it a shot. So we got our battery pack. Looks like it just drops right in, similar to putting it on the charger. Press down. Yep, that's it. It has an indicator light on the top, so you can press it, and it looks like it's green right now. Obviously it should be. Close the lid, and then it looks like after we extend it, we just press the power button and then pull this back. That is shockingly quiet. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this does on the actual lawn. couple initial observations after my first cut. So I ended up setting the deck height to 3. You can see the adjustment right here. It was really easy to set. This thing has plenty of power, so I don't think you're going to have any concerns about that. I've got a 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton mower, gas mower, that I've used for years. This is every bit as powerful as that, and it seems to do just as good a job at mulching and everything else. So I'm pretty happy with the quality of the cut. I did also notice, and I probably would have figured this out had I used the instruction manual, but who does that? There's a speed adjustment here. So you can actually, for the self-propelled portion, you just pull up on this handle. As you see, it starts going. But you can adjust the speed, so you can make it go very fast. It's like a go-kart at that speed. Kids might have fun with that. I'll have to keep them away. But that's pretty cool. I haven't seen that on too many mowers before, so it's nice because then it gives you a nice consistent speed to cut your grass with. So overall, really happy. The other thing I noticed that is going to jump out at you right away, obviously it's quiet. It has headlights so you could cut at night. I've never even considered that before because, well, they're loud usually. And the other thing that you'll notice right off the bat is you don't smell afterwards. So normally I throw on some kind of junky clothes, and after I mow the lawn I smell like gasoline and exhaust, so obviously I go and change. That's something I hadn't really considered with this, but with an electric mower you don't have any of that. So definitely some bonuses. Alright, I think that's about it for this review. I'll go ahead and finish up mowing the lawn and look for us doing the long-term review of this product as we usually do. I'll probably wait until the end of the season, get a full season of mowing in, and then we'll see how this thing did. Thanks. Be sure to hit the subscribe button.